Ito ang pinakamatibay na phone ni Honor. This is the Honor X9C. And nakita nyo na siguro tong phone na to sa Guinness Book of World Records kasi sobrang tibay daw niya. Pero, totoo ba yun? O niloloko lang ba tayo ng Honor? Ito na nga ba talaga ang pinakamatibay na phone sa Pilipinas ngayon? Today, we will find out. Now, the short answer is yes. Ito na siguro yung pinakamatibay na phone na nagamit namin recently, pero that doesn't mean this phone is indestructible. Now, at the end of the day, telepono pa rin siya, and no amount of drop tests, airsoft tests, boil tests, or extreme drop from a helicopter test is going to change that fact. It's going to be tougher than your average phone, yes, and it will probably last longer with regular use. Pero hindi yun excuse para gayahin mo yung mga nakikita mo sa social media na extreme tests with this phone to treat it like it's like the Superman phones na hindi siya masisira. It's simply not that. Now, with all of those extreme tests in mind, does the Honor X9C have anything else to offer aside from extreme durability? Yes, it's a nice phone to look at and use. Maganda yung overall aesthetic niya, especially with the green color gradient for our review unit, which looks and feels more expensive than it is. Siguro yung hindi ko lang talaga gusto dito is yung gigantic camera module na, you know, let's face it, this is the current meta for smartphone designs in 2025. So kung hindi mo gusto yon, sorry na lang, kailangan mo masanay kasi ganito talaga yung itsura ng mga phones na lalabas this year. Another thing that the Honor X9C improves on is the quality of the main camera compared to last year's model. Now, while you're essentially getting the same imaging sensor as last year's X9B, may OIS na yung camera mo, and Honor has tweaked the camera algorithm so that the quality of the photos looks better than last year, especially in low light. It's not flagship level by any means, but it's slightly better than what you'd get from a phone at its price range. Now, the Honor X9C also gets improved water resistance from the X9B, moving to an IP65M rating, so pwede mo na siya isama sa'yo when you're out swimming or doing water sports. Now, Honor also made changes to the inside of the phone from the new glass protection dito sa harap para kahit ibagsak mo ng ganyan, walang problem yung phone mo, plus to the rubberized padding on the inside of the phone to help protect it from drops. And if ever masira yung phone mo, Honor has made the X9C easier to work on, so it's easier to open and service pagdating sa pag-replace ng mga parts if ever nga may pumasok o may masira sa loob. Now, the biggest upgrade for this phone is the battery, which jumps from a 5800 mAh cell from the X9B to a 6600 unit in the Honor X9C. Since the X9B already had excellent battery endurance, the upgraded battery means you'll be spending more time using your phone and less time charging it. Makunat ang battery ng phone ito, and we recorded a 14-hour and 55-minute screen-on time with YouTube playing in the background. Basically, naglo-loop lang siya. May 66-watt fast wire charging din siya. So, mabilis siya mag-charge if ever ma-drain mo yung battery mo. Siguro yung pinakamalaking issue ko dito sa phone na to is the fact that it uses recycled processor. So, basically, what are we talking about? We're talking about the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. Ito siguro yung pinakamalaking issue ng mga basher ng phone na ito, and for good reason. I can understand. Kasi medyo mahina nga tong processor na to when you're looking to play graphically intense games like Genshin Impact and the like. Don't get me wrong, kaya ng Honor X9C mag-Genshin Impact, pero kailangan mo talaga ibaba yung settings mo to the lowest to get, you know, fairly decent frame rates. Kung mahilig kang gumamit ng emulators na mabigat sa CPU and GPU, medyo hindi rin maganda gamitin tong phone na to for that purpose kasi medyo nag-chug siya ng konti. Kaya naman kung ang mga games mo ay basically just Mobile Legends and similar games, no problems with that. Pero once it comes to more graphically intense duties or games, that's where you're gonna have a problem. Pero kung hindi ka naman gamer, walang problem sa day-to-day use ang Honor X9C. Smooth ang navigation and general app use katulad ng Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and never ko naranasan na mag-hang or mag-stutter tong phone na to using those apps. Yung complaint ko lang is the limited software update support. Sabi ng Honor, up to 2 years lang ang support na ibibigay nila for this phone. Which is weird kasi kung matibay talaga tong phone na ito, ay tiyak na more than 2 years mo siyang gagamitin after mo siya mabili. Supporting it for just 2 years undercuts the message of this phone being a tough phone that you'll keep. Ano ang gamit ng matibay na phone na vulnerable naman sa software exploits once its official support is over? I'm hoping that Honor actually extends the software support for this phone over 2 years. So madaming magandang features ang Honor X9C. It's tougher than your typical smartphone. It has great battery endurance and maganda ang overall aesthetics niya. Pero it's not invincible. Pwede pa rin siyang masira pag inabuso mo at medyo hindi ganoon kalakas ang processing package niya. Especially when you take a look at its price range. And for a phone that is supposed to last, limited ang software support niya. Siguro ang recommendation ko dito sa phone na ito is this is a phone for people na kailangan ng phone na matibay, na pwede mabasa at maganda ang camera. Pero kung performance-oriented ka or habol mo talaga ay mobile gaming, iba na lang siguro ang isasuggest ko. Marami namang ibang other phones si Honor. Now, the good news is that the Honor X9C is the same price as the Honor X9B from last year. Yes, si Honor lang siguro ang naglalabas ng succeeding smartphone na hindi tumataas ang presyo. Pareho lang yung presyo nila. 16,999, pareho lang ang specs, 12 gig of RAM and 256 gig of storage. There will be pre-order bonuses. We will put them down below. Dun sa comment, lalagay namin lahat ng mga pre-order and where you can order. So if you're interested in buying the Honor X9C, yung pinakamatibay na phone ngayon sa Pilipinas, currently as this video drops, that is where you can get it. My name is John. Thank you very much for watching this video. Until the next one.